Can Skrill transfer money to PayPal? Did you know that Skrill, once a popular online wallet, was actually founded by a former PayPal employee? Or that PayPal's CEO, Dan Schulman, once served as Skrill's CEO? These intriguing facts highlight the historical connection between the two digital payment giants. However, despite their shared history and similar functions, transferring money directly from Skrill to PayPal remains a complex and often indirect process. While both platforms offer a wide range of services, including online payments, international money transfers, and currency exchange, they have distinct policies and infrastructure that prevent direct transfers. This limitation can be frustrating for users who frequently use both platforms and wish to move funds seamlessly between them. The most common method to transfer money from Skrill to PayPal involves an intermediary step. Users typically withdraw funds from their Skrill account to a linked bank account and then deposit the money into their PayPal account. This process can be time-consuming and may incur fees from both platforms. Additionally, currency conversion fees may apply if the user is transferring funds between different currencies. While the indirect method is the most straightforward option, some users have explored alternative methods, such as using third-party exchange services or purchasing goods or services on one platform and selling them on the other. However, these approaches can be risky and may involve additional fees or potential scams. The lack of direct transfer functionality between Skrill and PayPal has prompted discussions and debates among users and industry experts. Some argue that the two companies should collaborate to develop a more convenient and efficient transfer method. Others suggest that the current limitations are intentional, as they may benefit both platforms by encouraging users to keep funds within their respective ecosystems. Despite the challenges, Skrill and PayPal remain popular choices for online payments and money transfers. Their wide range of features, global reach, and security measures continue to attract millions of users worldwide. However, the inability to transfer funds directly between the two platforms remains a significant limitation for many. As the digital payment landscape continues to evolve, it remains to be seen whether Skrill and PayPal will eventually address this issue and provide users with a more seamless and convenient experience.